Let's go right to the bottles. Oh man, you're scary. Get your mask on so I can take some pictures.
You didn't like that. Wow, you look cute.
Take your hand down this time, okay?
Hey, what you supposed to say? Say it loud.
Trick or treat!
Give
Oh,
him the
you're
force.
so
Give him the force.
scary.
Yeah, you done.
What are you, Finley? Are you Yoda? Are you little Yoda? Huh? She's like, I don't know what the crap is going on.
Yeah, she's kind of mad.
And that's my dad. Dork.
Go get him.
Hey, how's that? Is that better?
Here, Finley.
Your shirts.
Stan didn't know who it was for a
Here,
while
take
ago.
it.
Imagine.
Take it.
He kept
Take
looking
the
at.
bag.
Yes,
Take the bag. Take the bag.
Finley.
I have a bag. I have the bag. He dropped some
Have the
Oreos
bag.
down under there.
Whoa! That's pretty cool.
Is that Fred?
No. He's only red.
Oh, he's red.
He's red.
Jason, here. Use your bag.